Rocky Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Warwick County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 6 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wilmer Lake or near Lake Geneva, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Rochester, Browns Lake, Warner's Lake, Eagle Lake, Burlington, Honey Creek, Chancellorsville, and Slade's Corners. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.